thank you everyone else for joining us today. We hope that you can get something out of this and that we can help your chromatography go a little bit better in the future. I'm going to start off with a brief outline of today's topics. So as you can see here, there's pump head diagnostics, detectors and flow cells, sample injection, both optimization and loading considerations, and then sampling techniques that we use here at Teledyne, column considerations that we can use to protect your columns, and troubleshooting your HPLC methods.